Hello guys, my name's Quentin. We're back in my garage looking today at my Craftsman 3/4 horsepower belt drive garage door opener. I'm sorry that I haven't done a garage door opener video in a long time. Well, anyway, I'm going to be grabbing the remote out of the Sienna. I know it's making a weird noise. It's just how we bought the Sienna. We bought that Sienna last year. I'm very obsessed to buy Toyota Sienna. We bought the Sienna last year, right after we moved into this house. Well, anyway, without further ado, we're gonna be using the remote first to open up the garage, and then we'll close it from the outside, and then reopen it again, and then we'll close it. Here we go. Hi, Callie. This is our cat. Her name is Callie. She meows every time when she always wants my attention and look inside of the garage if I'm going in the garage. Watch out, Callie. The garage door is closing. I know it's in a detached garage, and that's our tall house over there. It's a very nice house. This is the basement right there, and up there behind it is my mom's room. My room is in the basement. I always sleep in my mom's room every night. And this is the main floor, where my mom sleeps. And up there is my sister's bedroom. She loves that bedroom a lot because it's a lot bigger, so that she has enough room. Well, anyway, without further ado, let's open up the garage door. Here we go. Now let's close the garage door. Here we go. My dad just got a car wash a couple days ago. Well, anyway, without further ado, let's open up the garage door again. And I'm going to put the remote back in the Sienna. Here, let me put my phone down. There we go. That's our cat. She meows every time when... Oh, that's a Toyota Tacoma. Oh, here, let me close the garage door. Here we go. Watch out, Callie. Okay. Now we'll open the garage door one more time. We're not using the keypad today. And then, well, let's open right now. Well, anyway, without further ado, let's open the garage door one more time. Here we go. It's not as loud. It's not that loud even. Come on, Callie. Can you please? There you go. Let's close the garage door again.
I just dropped off a package for you.
Thanks. I thought it was my friend. Sorry. It's just that guy out there. I'm glad it's my package. Well, anyway, watch out, Callie. The garage door is closing. I can't. Callie, can you please? Here. I think Callie is refusing to get out of the garage, okay? I'm gonna close the garage door now. Here we go. It's just that man outside telling me that my package came. Thought it was coming at 2 o'clock. My watch says that it's 12:59. It was a man telling me that my package came. Thought it was my friend. Well, anyway, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and always take care, everyone. Here, I'm going to take Callie. There you go, Callie. Watch your tail. Thank you for watching this video. I know that it was just that man telling me that my package came. Don't worry, guys. Well, anyway, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and always take care, everyone. Peace out. Bye.